So if you're having a little bit of a hard time coming up with what that number might be, I mean, I understand it's tricky. If I tell you to find the cube root of 64, you're thinking, all right, what number goes into, can I multiply together 3 times to get 64? And you don't just want to start with 2, multiply it 3 times, and then that doesn't work, so go to 3, multiply it 3 times. You don't want to have to guess so much. So let me help with that just a little bit. We want to take 64 and we want to factor it out and find its, really what we'll end up doing is finding its prime factors, but we know that 2 times 32 gives me 64, and I would think 4, I want to go 4 times 8. 4 times 8, this would really give me 2 times 2, this would give me 2 times 4, and 2 times 2. So we know we can get to 64 by doing 2 times, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So we know our 2's are too small. Now notice, it has to be some combination of these numbers because this is the prime factorization of 64. So notice that there are 6 2's, but we only need 3 spots. Well, what if we were to kind of group these together? So that would be 4 times 4 times 4. Well, that would work. 4 times 4 times 4 equals 64, and that's 3 numbers at the same time. So we could find that our answer is 4. Let's look at another example. Let's say we're trying to find the 4th root of 81. Well, let's try to factor out 81. 9 times 9, 3 times 3, and 3 times 3. Well, we need 4 spots, and it looks like we have 4 3's. So these prime factors found us that the 4th root of 81 would just equal 3. So in this case right here with 81 and wanting the 4th root, we could use our factor tree to factor it all the way down, and we could find what we can multiply together 4 times and get 81. Up here with 64, we had to do a little bit more work, right? Because when we got down to our prime factors, there were all these 2's, and there were 6 2's, which was way too many. We only needed to fill 3 spots. So we had to do a little bit of combining to help us get it down to just 3 numbers that were the same. But maybe the trick that I'm trying to point out is making this factor tree right here. And maybe that will help you.